This product is mainly used in the production of optical fiber composite stainless steel tube, referred to as stainless steel tube, which meets the requirement of producing OPCU cable, OPC cable, mini cable or submarine cable, etc. Material: stainless steel belt. Full automatic steel belt splicing device. Splicing table. Laser. Laser cooling machine. Stainless steel belt payoff device. Steel strip guide device. Ointment filling machine. Ointment. Optical fiber payoff rack. Slitting and cleaning table. Steel belt cleaning device. Steel belt slitting device. Forming mold platform. Ointment filling. 3D welding head. Laser cooling machine. Laser. Monitor welding interface. Clamp tractor. Circulating oil cooling system. Drawing die. Drawing die. Excess length control device. Single wheel traction and metering device. Tension control device. Eddy current testing device. Straightening instrument. Monitoring interface. Take-up device. Finished product. Electrical control system.